Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and take a moment to get settled in. When you're ready, start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill completely. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or worry you may be holding. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your body begin to relax, letting go of any tightness or stress. One more deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your mind calming, becoming still and focused. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm, breathing steadily and easily. As you continue to breathe, set an intention for this meditation. Your intention might be, I am protected, or I create a shield of peace and safety around me. Allow this intention to fill your heart, guiding you throughout this practice. Now bring your awareness to the soles of your feet. Imagine roots growing from your feet, reaching deep into the earth. Feel the grounding energy of the earth, steady and unwavering, supporting you fully. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more connected to the earth, more centered and grounded. Know that you are safe here, supported by the strength and stability of the earth beneath you. Now imagine soft golden light beginning to form around your body. This light is warm, protective, and full of love. It forms a bubble or shield around you, enveloping you from head to toe. With each breath, feel this protective shield growing stronger and brighter, surrounding you completely. This is your personal shield of protection, impenetrable by any negativity, stress, or harmful energy. Take a moment to visualize this shield becoming even more powerful. Feel the energy of the shield pulsating with strength, protecting your physical body, your emotional body, and your spirit. This shield allows in only positivity, love, and light. Anything that does not serve your highest good is kept out, gently deflected away from you. As you continue to breathe, silently repeat to yourself, I am safe, I am protected, only love surrounds me. Now bring your awareness to your heart center. Inside your heart, there is a strong, unshakable core of courage and strength. As you focus on your heart, Feel this inner strength growing, filling you with confidence, power. This strength is always within you, protecting you from fear, doubt, or harm. It is a deep, unwavering part of who you are, a source of resilience and bravery. Allow yourself to connect with this inner strength, knowing that it will guide and protect you in all situations. Now think of a specific situation, person, or area of your life where you feel the need for extra protection. As you visualize this, imagine your protective shield expanding to cover this area, offering safety, peace, and positive energy. See this situation or person surrounded by the same warm golden light, ensuring that only love and goodness can come through. Feel the sense of calm and peace that comes from knowing you are fully protected in every aspect of your life. Take a moment to repeat these affirmations to yourself, allowing them to resonate deeply within. I am safe and protected at all times. I trust my inner strength and power. My protective shield surrounds me wherever I go. Let these affirmations fill your heart, affirming your connection to your own protective energy. Now, bring a sense of gratitude into your heart for the protection you have created, for the strength within you, and for the energy of safety that surrounds you. Silently say to yourself, I am grateful for the protection that guides and guards me each day. Feel this gratitude growing, expanding out through your entire being, bringing even more peace and security. As we come to the end of this meditation, begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling your body supported by the ground beneath you. Know that your protective shield will stay with you, guarding you wherever you go. Take one final deep breath in. As you exhale, feel a deep sense of safety, calm, and empowerment. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to the room around you, carrying with you the powerful energy of protection. As you move forward, remember that you are always protected, both by your inner strength and the shield of energy you have created. You are safe, strong, and empowered. Namaste.